Number one, process over product. Don't worry about being an artist. Worry about getting better and improving your work, and that there's improvement and regular practice every day. If you start worrying about getting hits on social media, how many likes you got, etc., it's going to really take all the joy out of what you're doing. And number two, self-perception can be very, very misleading, especially when it comes to your art. You may be a lot better, or you may even be a lot worse than you think you are. However, your ability to improve your work may also be a lot greater than you may have even thought, or the heights to which you could take your work may be much, much higher than you had ever envisioned. Number three, if you really do go all in on your art, you may find that it largely takes over your life in a sense, not in necessarily a bad way, but your whole life, maybe you could say your whole lifestyle, basically is going to revolve around your art, from where you live to the kind of living accommodations that you have. For instance, that you may want to have a studio that you live in, to your decisions about perhaps having a family or not having a family, the kind of way that you support yourself, the types of jobs that you will and will not take, how you think about your role, your mission in life. Number four, there is no real magic bullet. I mean, there's no school that you can go to, no course that you can attend, no book that you can read, no person that you can study with who is really going to magically bring that thing, whatever that certain thing is that you're looking for in your work, to your work. That really has to come from you as an artist, and the only way that that happens is through regular practice, regular work, things that you investigate, questions that you ask, things that you explore, how you change as a person and how you change yourself in the world. It's those things that go into the work that eventually make it fly. Number five, the journey forward is never a straight line. There are going to be gaps, plateaus, maybe even some dips. It's okay to go back and learn things that perhaps you didn't learn very well to begin with, or don't have the proficiency that you would really like, or the depth of knowledge that you feel like you could extract now, having some time and experience under your belt. Nothing wrong with going back, using that knowledge, taking it and running with it. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hopefully this is some information that you'll find useful in some way. If you did, please like, subscribe, tell your friends. I am working on additional videos, and I hope to see you all soon.